Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how we can do this. This is a cape, okay, and the size is adjustable for children and adult. This is the adult size. So to start this, because I want the neckline to be curved like this, see this one, this is curved. I didn't change the stitches in this, I just change the size of my hook. First row I use a 4.5 and then I use a 5 mm and a 5.5 and a 6. To start this, measure the contour of your neck, okay? So after you measure, for small children you measure the size of the children, and if you want to make it adult then you measure that as well, okay? Use measurement and let's start. Okay, to start I will use my 4.5 hook first. Start by making a slip knot and chaining 2. I do directly with single crochet, so if you don't know how to do this, please check the description box. I will leave you a link there for a video how to crochet without chains, okay? And make your single crochets in the multiples of 3. Count your stitches by 3, okay? Multiples of 3 single crochets. Okay, after you finish this first round, then, and if you're using this kind of yarn and you can't see the stitches, use your fingers to feel the stitches, because when you do this, you can feel the stitches. The stitches kind of feels empty, and this single crochet feels like solid something, yeah. So use your fingers if you can't see the stitches and count them by 3. And then I will use the 5 mm hook for the second row. So I just continue making single crochets in every stitch, okay? And I'll see you after the end of this round. After you made your last single crochet here, so to make this one is my buttonhole, so I chain 2, 1, 2, and insert my hook into the first single crochet of this, this first round, and I'll do single crochet, and then I'll turn. I just pull my loop and into the chain space like that, do 2 slip stitch like that, and change your hook size again. So I'm changing to 5.5. This is my 5.5 hook, and single crochet in every stitch again, okay? Just do single crochet in every stitch, and here is your buttonhole, see? So I'll see you at the end of this round again. Okay, at the end of this round, use a 6 mm hook and chain 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space make 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, see, like this one, we make a fan, and then we skip 2 stitches, skip 1, 2 on the third one again, make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same space. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and please hit the like button for me. So skip 2 again. On the third one, make a fan. Okay, and we continue this round just like this. Skip 2 stitches, and on the third one make a fan like this. I'll see you at the end of this round. Okay, if you are doing it right, then you should have 3 stitches left, 1 2, and on the third one you make the fan again. Don't mistake this for a stitch. Okay, this is the buttonhole, so just continue making your fan here. And we will use this I will use this 6mm hook for the rest of my work. So next we will do this. I didn't do like something, you know, double crochet and then start the fan. I work the fan at the fan only, and I have this kind of peaks and I like it. I hope you like it as well. So okay, pull your loop a little bit like that, and from under this second double crochet of this fan, make a slip stitch and chain 3, and then in the chain space make a fan again, and in the next double crochet do a front post double crochet, and then skip this. You skip this one, and in the second double crochet of the next fan do a front post double crochet, and in the chain space make a fan again. And chain 1, 2 double crochet, and front post double crochet again. I'll show you one more time. You skip this double crochets, this one from here, one on this next one, like that. So we will have it to be like 3D type, you know. This is reversible, as you can see. And in the chain space you make a fan, and front post again, and we continue just like this. Okay, skip this and into the, you know, the second double crochet you do the front post, and in the chain space you make the fan and continue all around. Okay, when we are at this last fan also we do the same, and you can see this, we are having this first peak like thing. So turn the work, and this time we will do 2 slip stitch. First slip stitch we do in this next stitch, and the second slip stitch from under this, like that. So when we work we skip all this, we skip this 1 2 3 4 in between, and we work on this. You see we have this fan, we have 3 double crochets, have 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. We work on this 2. Okay, we skip this. So here also we make 2 slip stitch and front post. This is, you know, I do this so it will look like front post, so I chain 3. In the chain space again make a fan, repeat the same. Okay, and front post here. This is already an increase in here, so we won't increase anymore. Okay, we will work like this up to 5 rounds. This is 1, 2, and then 3 more. So I'll show you again. You skip all this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 stitches, and then on the 5th one, do the front post double crochet. In the chain space, make the fan. And then do the front post again. Okay, see, we kind of have this. It will look like it's 2 layer, you know. This one is look like the first layer, and this will look like the second layer from inside. So you skip 4 stitches, and on this you do the front post, and in the chain space make a fan, and continue like this. 2 slip stitch. This is 1 and 1 from here, and chain 3, and we continue the previous rounds. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, so we need to make 5 rounds with this number of 5 rounds with this number of stitches, and then after that I'll see you. Okay, after 5 rounds with this number of stitches, and then in the next round we slip stitch only 1. Okay, only in the next stitch, and we chain 3, and then in this one we do the front post double crochet, and in the chain space we make the fan again. We are increasing. Okay, this one here acts as an increasing, so in the chain space we make the fan, and then we do the front post again, and we make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the previous rounds we only do the front post and we jump to the other fan, but here after the front post you make 1 double crochet in the next stitch like that. Okay, so we skip 1, 2, and we skip only 2 here. Here we skip 4 stitches, here we skip only 2, 1, 2, and on the third one we make double crochet, and then we make the front post double crochet, and in the chain space we make the fan. Okay, after you did your front post, remember to do this 1 double crochet here. Okay, and you skip 2 again on the third one, make a double crochet and make the front post, and in the chain space we make the fan, and continue just like this until the end of this round. Okay, when you finish this round also, you turn your work and we do 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and then we chain 3. Always starts with 2 slip stitch. Okay, and then we do the front post double crochet, and in the chain space we make the fan again, and front post. Okay, and then 1 double crochet, and after you did this, so we repeat what we did here. Okay, but here we skipped 4 stitches again. We skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one we do the double crochet and front post, and then in the chain space we make the fan. We skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th we work, and we repeat again. I'll show you. Make the fan. Front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, and we skip 4. On the 5th one we work, and we continue like this, and just continue like this until you get to the length that you want. Okay, as you go along, okay, until you get to the length that you want, of course. So make sure you start with 2 slip stitch. Okay, make sure you start with 2 slip stitch and 1 double crochet here. This is chain 3, so I count this as 1, and then 1 front post double crochet, and in the chain space you will always have to make a fan in every row. Okay, make a fan with 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same space, and then remember to do your front post as well, and 1 double crochet after this. And in this part here you always have to skip 4 stitches. Okay, and when you end your, this is the right part of your collar, right? So when you end, make sure you end it with this part up, not with this, because I don't like the stitches to be visible above, you know. So like this one, see, this is done. So I end with this part up like this, and it looks beautiful. And you don't need to increase or decrease, you just go with this number of stitches. You don't need to increase because this is stretchy enough to fit you, you know, since you have increased from the rows in here. So just continue doing this, and make sure you end it on the right side. Okay, your ending row should be on the right side. And if you like your collar to be thicker, then you can add, you know, 1 or 2 more rows of single crochet in here, but make sure you use a smaller hook than the one you started with, so it will be, you know, like round and curved. I hope you like my videos and my capelet, so please do subscribe, and if you want to see this in a closed version, I mean not open like this, then please do check my channel later. So I will upload a video on how to do it in closed version as well. I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know how you feel, and thank you for watching.